Welcome to my cooking channel, Ashwini Tarkar's cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe. Let us make sweet rice with coconut, that is the Narali Bhaat. Take 1 cup basmati rice, wash it and drain. Add 2 cups of water and keep aside for 1 or 2 hours. Let the rice soak. Take half cup fresh coconut in a mixer jar. Add half cup warm water. Grind and extract coconut milk. We need only half cup coconut milk, so we added half cup water. Transfer the rice and the water to a pressure cooker. Add the half cup coconut milk which we just extracted and pressure cook for 3 whistles. After the pressure releases, we will fluff up the rice and ensure that no lumps are left. Now chop few cashew nuts and add 1 tablespoon raisins to it. In a kadai, take 1 tablespoon ghee, add 4 cloves, add the cashew nut and raisins, fry till light golden. Now add 1 cup jaggery and 3/4 cup fresh coconut. Cook on low flame so that the jaggery melts. Add salt 1/4 teaspoon and cardamom powder 1/2 teaspoon and add the rice. Be gentle with the grains, otherwise it will all break. Now mix the rice and keep stirring so that the jaggery, coconut and rice is mixed well. Cover and let steam, and when it is dry, it is ready to serve. You can see the coconut and the jaggery is cooked and mixed well with the rice. Now the Narali Bhaat is ready to serve. This Narali Bhaat has a religious significance. It is the start of the fishing season, and we pray to the ocean uh, for safety of the fishermen, and this is made on occasion of Narali Purnima. Serve it warm and enjoy the Narali Bhaat. Happy cooking! Thank you for watching. If you have liked my recipe, subscribe, like and share it with someone who loves cooking. See you in the next video.